The ExEm Foam Kit enables easy and safe recognition of tubal patency. By diluting the ExEm gel with ExEm water, a gel foam is created, which enables a fast and simple distension of the walls of the fallopian tubes. The gel foam opens the tube from its natural collapsed state and flows unless there is an obstruction. The ability to infuse the foam is an indicator of patency. Patency can then be confirmed using ultrasound imaging to detect the presence of the foam running the length of the tube. To use the ExEm Foam Kit, please make sure you have all the necessities ready: the ExEm Foam Kit, side opening speculum, transvaginal ultrasound equipment, catheter, sterile cloth, sterile gloves. Now you are ready to start the procedure. Connect the ExEm gel and the ExEm water syringes to the coupling device. Mix the ExEm gel with the ExEm purified water by injecting the fluids from one syringe through the coupling device into the other syringe at least 10 times. This creates a milky white gel foam. Leave the gel foam in either one of the syringes and disconnect from the other syringe and coupling device. Connect the syringe containing the gel foam to the catheter. Sterilization of outer Oz of the cervix is done depending on local protocol. Now, introduce the side opening speculum. By gently filling the catheter with gel foam, allow the air to escape from the catheter before introduction. Gently introduce the catheter into the cervix. Remove speculum, position the ultrasound transducer, and slowly infuse the gel foam in order to avoid discomfort. In a healthy fallopian tube, the gel foam will run through the tubes and the fallopian tubes will be visible during the ultrasound procedure. If the fluid does not run through the fallopian tubes and the ultrasound procedure does not show the fallopian tubes, the passage in one or both of the fallopian tubes might be disturbed. This might indicate fallopian tube blockage. In this way, the ExEm Foam Kit enables safe and easy tubal patency testing.